Students' ability to investigate, critically think, and write better is greatly aided by the fulfillment of assignments, which are a vital part of the educational experience. However, students who are inexperienced with assignment writing norms may find writing assignments to be challenging. This guide is designed to help students write academically sound papers that meet all the requirements of their courses. Understand the assignment requirements. It's important to get a firm grasp on the assignment's guidelines before diving in headfirst. Make sure that you have read the assignment's directions carefully and that you fully understand the topic, the format, the required number of words, and the deadline. If you have any queries or worries, you should talk to your teacher about them. Research the topic. Research is an integral part of the assignment completion process. Gather as much background knowledge as possible on the topic at hand by perusing relevant books, journals, and online tools. Make notes and organize the data in a logical order to help you organize the parts of your project. Plan your assignment. Careful preparation is the single most important factor in the completion of any project. Create a brief overview of the assignment, and then break it down into more manageable chunks. This will help you stay on track and complete your project having addressed all of the necessary material. Use proper academic language and style. Formality is expected in both the tone and style of assignment writing. Do not speak in an informal and pleasant manner. Instead, use correct English. Check that your orthography and the way you've phrased things are accurate. Structure your assignment effectively. The structure you employ will have a significant impact on how well your assignment turns out. The ideal spot to start is with an opening that includes a thesis statement and a brief overview of the topic. Subheadings should be used to further divide the content of your work into manageable chunks. Finally, wrap things up with a closing that sums up your key points. Edit and proofread your work. After you have completed your assignment, you must immediately go back and make any necessary changes and corrections to your writing. Make sure your writing is error-free in terms of grammar, syntax, and punctuation, and assess whether it meets the standards expected of academic work. Seek help if needed. Don't be shy about asking for help if you're struggling to finish your homework. If you need help or guidance, talk to your instructor or a tutor. If you're having difficulty meeting the criteria of your project, you might want to consider using a custom writing service online. In conclusion, writing assignments can be challenging, but students can create high-quality work that is up to academic standards with the proper mindset and strategies. Assignment writing success is within the reach of any student who takes the time to read the assignment instructions carefully, conduct extensive research, create an effective plan, use the correct academic language and style, correctly structure the assignment, revise and proofread their work, and ask for feedback when they are stuck.